How's it going, YouTube? This is Mason Trades here, and we are here with an update on some of the plays I've made this week. It's Tuesday, and I have like 3 plays that are active right now. So we're going to go through them, tell you what my thoughts are, tell you what I think they're going to do, and then what they've done so far. So as you can see, I'm down $47 today, which is 18% of my account, but I'm not too worried yet. So we're going to see what happens here in the next couple weeks. But let's go ahead and scroll down here and show you what I have right now. So AMD has their earnings today, so we're going to go ahead and go on this one first. So AMD has their earnings today. I have a $30.50 call for May 3rd, I believe. And I paid $46 for it, and it's at $46. It closed at $46. At one point, I was up a couple dollars, but we're not worried about that. This is more of an earnings play, so we're looking for big fluctuations in the stock for earnings. And we wanted calls because... or not calls, we wanted the stock to go up because we bought a call. So let me scroll down here and show you where AMD is at right now. We are up 4.6% right now. It was up to 6.7% at one point, but now it's only up 4.63%. But that's still pretty good. It's almost up 5%. So that is really good for our call. Hopefully we can make some decent money on it tomorrow. And yeah. So here's that. So we're going to go up to the next play now. So Lyft, we have a put on it. So let me explain. I bought it for $55 and it's at $35. So I've lost 20 on it so far, 36%, which is not nice. But as you can see today, it was up 123%. So if it's up another 100%, then we're going to be making money on this call by tomorrow. So if it's up 100% tomorrow. But if you come down here and look on, not the daily, but the weekly, this week, almost every day, it's opened up and it's gone lower. So as you can see, April 24th, lower. April 25th, lower. 26th, it opened, went lower, then came back up. And then the 29th, so this would have been yesterday, it opened up, went lower, and then spiked up a lot. So it spiked up a lot over yesterday, came up, and then tanked lower again. So I bought in around here. So I'm hoping that tomorrow it opens up and goes lower like it has been. So like other than this right here, it kind of peaked out. It went up and then it decided to go back down lower. But other than that, every day it's open and it's went directly down. Other than maybe a little bit here, it kind of came up just a little bit, but that might have been post-market. But yeah, almost every day it opens up and goes lower. So we are hoping and betting on Lyft to go lower and for us to at least cover for our losses. So we have $20 in losses right now. We want to at least cover for that, and that would be super nice. And then last but not least, we have Disney at $160 calls. So their earnings are coming up, I believe, next week, and we have May 10th calls for Disney going to $160. And this was not the smartest trade. This was not the smartest trade at all. I bought, my average cost is $12, and right now it's at 4 cents, so it'd be $4 because it's timed by 100. And our total return, we're down 66%, which is never fun, but there is still hope. I've bought one at 4 cents to cover, to make my average cost go down some, so it doesn't have to go up as much for me to make money. So we are in Disney right now, and Disney has not been looking good. It's up right now, but it has went down these past 2 days here. So it had a big, I don't know what happened, but it just tanked at market open. But it ended up coming up, covering for it. And then we got in, I forget the exact spot today or yesterday. So it just gotten lower, guys. So we're going to see what happens. They have their earnings. Let's scroll down here. Good thing about Robinhood, it shows when the earnings are. So on May 8th is the earnings after hours. So, and our contract is for May 10th. So if they do good in earnings and Disney does happen to come up, then we could possibly be making some money. So I'm going to be holding Disney until earnings, because why not, honestly? I'm already down a big amount on it. And I'd rather just hold it through and see what happens. I know it's way out of the money. 160 is what I bought, and it's at 137. So it almost has to go up like $25 for me to be in the money by May 10th. So we need some good green days on Disney, ending the week off. Next week, we're going to want some more green days coming up into earnings, and then earnings are going to have to be really good. And hopefully from all of that, we can make some good money on that too. So guys, those are my 3 option plays for this week so far. So if you guys got any questions, put them down in the comments below. Any concerns, don't tell me about them, because obviously got them under control. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. And thank you.